Welcome to our IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use background data correction in IDQ Pro. This feature performs background data correction of the entire dataset based on the selected area. To start, I just want to show the real-time spectra of the background here. As you can see, it's ranging from 2.5 to 4 times 10 to the fourth in intensity and has this shape. We'll then navigate to data corrections and go to background data correction. You'll then be prompted to draw a region on the image that will be used as the background. Your image is now corrected. If we do real-time spectrum, you can see that the intensity values are much lower